Welcome to Chestnut Hill Outpost. Today, put in 4 more loads of fill. Getting ready to build a sawmill shed, I guess they call it. It's going to be 32 feet by 16 feet. Some of the logs we have. We're making all the posts and beams out of these. Half of them are pine, the other half are red oak. We're making some red oak flooring for the fella that let me borrow this sawmill. Thank you, Jimbo. There's our saloon down there. Boys over there. All our girls. 4 girl alpacas are over here. Yeah, of course we have our chickens. The sawmill is awesome. Cuts up to 16 feet so far. I'm gonna need a longer beam than that for the front. Unless I cut it into 2. But I gotta have at least an opening for 16 feet in the front. Couldn't do it without this little guy. Little cat. Gotta have that thumb. One of the most important things of owning an excavator. Without it, it's rough. Here's all our pallets, which we use for fencing and most anything else we can use them for. We built our bar down the bottom. We took these apart and used all the nice slat boards. It wasn't that difficult. We're probably around 400 of them here. Some of the fencing we built. Usually go every 5 pallets, put a post in. A couple of the girls are laying down over there. Hey, Brownie, how you doing, honey? Got Brownie, and then this is her daughter over here. That's Chadian. What, baby? Jacob. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Couple of sheds. Keep equipment. Here is the saloon. Barkeep.
Hold on, I got one on the line.
You got one on the lines?
I'm gonna tip of that pole.
What are you, magnet fishing?
Imaginary.
He's got one. Imaginary fishing.
Nope.
Barkeep.
Missed it.
Couple of sarsaparillis, please.
We're out.
is our poker table. I think we have enough chairs now with arms. We're gonna get rid of a few of the others. We gotta have these comfortable chairs. Sit at the bar. Have a great day. Dynamiting lately. We've been checking it out. Pretty cool explosions. Looks like that's probably it. We're not. Just got back from Kimball Sand and Gravel. Brought a couple loads in. Be great to have a sawmill shed. Hi puppy, who's that cheeky? You go puppy. A little windy out here today. Trying to fill this in over here so we have a place to dry our wood. It's just about 6 to 8 loads of fill we put in over here. This little Xena. It's our ranch hand over there. How you doing, Scott? Well, we did a little milling here up at the Outpost today. Use a little cat to pick up all the logs. It's not a problem. A few of the logs will be milling. Today we got a 6.5 by 8.5 cant, they call it. I call it a beam. 6.5 by 8, around 6.25 by 8.25, really. The shrinkage. 16 feet long. We're using these for the beams to hold up the new sawmill shed. So we'll cover it up for the day. I gotta get a cover for this unit. This is our extra wood. Today we got about 8 1x6s and 2 1x8s by 16 foot. And we got this one beam here, which we'll be using for probably the top. Have a great day.